Welcome to GuideGrid. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add clickable link in Canva website. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, in order to open your website, go on the Canva app, go on the left side, click on projects. Now here click on category and from here type website. Now select website and select your preferred website. So in my case it is not showing because I've recently published a website. So I'm going to go to my website. From here, as you can see, this is the live website, live Canva website. Now I'm going to go and put a clickable link into this text presentation right over here. Now what you have to do, just click on the text, click on these three dots, and now click on link. Okay, now you have to put your link over here. So I'm going to go and put my YouTube link over here. Click on done. And you're good to go. Now let's see if the changes are working or not. Okay, now the changes are not live, so make sure to make the changes live. Go on top right corner, click on website and click on publish changes. Okay, just wait for a few moments. Now let's see if the changes are working or not. So as you can see, my link is working perfectly fine. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add a clickable link in Canva website. Thanks for watching.